We will be reviewing in today's video two different products. So they are both from Tatcha. So we will touch the Tatcha, the Deep Cleanse Exfoliating Cleanser, and the Tatcha, the Water Cream. So if ever you want to know if I recommend this product, then continue watching and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified every time that I post a video. So let's get into this skincare review in right away. Hello beauties! We are doing skincare today and I am so excited to be jumping into these two products, even though I've been testing them out for a couple of days already. And I am telling you, I have some things to say about these products. And of course, I want to talk about the price, about the packaging, about the ingredients, about what it is, for which skin type. So if ever you want specific information, everything will be listed down below. So there's going to be timestamps if you want to go to a specific time. So let's jump in it right away. I will start with the Deep Cleanse, the cleanser. And this one is called the Deep Cleanse Exfoliating Cleanser, which I have some notes right on the side here. So if I look over there, it's because I have some notes and I need to check it myself. There is two sizes to this product. This product is actually the third size, which comes in a little box when you buy it with your points at Sephora. So the sizes, you have 5 ounces or 150 milliliters for $49 Canadian, or you have the other size, which is 1.7 ounces for 50 milliliters for $21. So of course this product, the Deep Cleanse, is going to be a little bit more expensive than your normal cleanser. And then you have the Tatcha, the Water Cream, which there is two sizes as well. So this is one of the sizes and there's another one, which is the bigger one. Two sizes, so 1.7 ounces, 50 milliliters for $89, which is, let me tell you, expensive. Then you have this one, which is the small one. It is 0.34 ounces or 10 milliliters for $26. It's not too bad, but even this is like really, really tiny. We will get into the packaging. So when I look at the packaging, I think it's pretty cute. The regular packaging is amazing. For the test ones, I think it's nice. It's plasticky. There's nothing really special about it, but the fact that it is recyclable and you just have to rinse it out and recycle it is really good. You have the Tatcha Deep Cleanse, which the bottle is really cute. I like the color. The blue color is really nice. It feels like purity, calmness, relaxation, etc., etc. But even the one that they gave us with the little box, I think it's really nice. And the purple and black is just amazing. I'm gonna talk about for which skin type it is. So for this one, the Deep Cleanse, it is especially for normal, oily, combination, and sensitive skin. The Tatcha, the Water Cream, it is for the same thing, normal, combination, oily, and sensitive skin. So we will talk with the Deep Cleanse first. Of course, I'm gonna rate it. So it is for pore, dullness, uneven texture, and oilness. So this is more when you have oily skin, which during the summer, I do have more of an oily skin or combination because I have dry patches and stuff like this. So that's why I have this one. And then the Water Cream is for different a little bit. It is for dryness, pores, dullness, and uneven texture, which is probably all of my concerns right now. So these products better work the best on my face. The Deep Cleanse, so it is for what? It is a gel cleanser with a natural fruit exfoliant in it, and it lifts impurities, it unclogs pores, and it is for soft and hydrated skin. And then for the Water Cream, it is oil-free, anti-aging, with powerful botanicals that's going to give you the optimal hydration. It is for poreless looking skin, which is what all Japanese skincare is about, for poreless, flawless looking skin. All right, so let's jump to the ingredients before we can try these products. So, like I told you, I have my little notes here. So sometimes they are so cute, a little bit of colors everywhere. We don't want to break it. So I'm gonna start with the Deep Cleanse, of course. So the ingredients that are here, so they're gonna be on the side so you can read them as well, like usual. So there is Japanese loofah fruit extract, which hydrates, clarify, and soothe damaged skin, which is what I have right now. all of the skin problems are in this bottle, okay? You have Japanese wild rose, which balances the skin, diminishes the look of pores, and there's a bunch of antioxidants, which is super important to your skin, especially when you live in the outside world with all the pollutants that you have out there. And then you have Hadase 3, which is a combination of ingredients that is specifically only to Tatcha, so it's like a trademark, I guess. It has green tea, rice, and algae, and it restores radiance, and it gives a healthy glow on your skin. And then there's a bunch of more ingredients, and it is also clean at Sephora, so it avoids a bunch of different ingredients, which you can go look on the Sephora website if you want more information about it. But we will jump to the water cream now, and it is also clean at Sephora, so less than 50 ingredients, and no parabens, no sulfates, and a bunch of other things. So if you want to go check it out, it's going to be on the Sephora website. And then the ingredients also in this cream, there is wild rose, Hadase 3, like we said, and there is Japanese leopard lily, which is a different ingredient than the Deep Cleanse. Reduces oil production, it calms the problematic skin, and it supports skin renewal, which is the natural way of the skin of getting rid of that skin and to build new cells within your own skin. So that is all the ingredients and everything that I needed to talk about. Of course, now I'm gonna pass to the application process. Oh my god. Time for skincare. I already tried it. Okay, I'm gonna give you my first impressions. At first, I didn't read any of the things that were written on the Sephora website. I just went in it because I had problematic skin. I was testing out another product, which I'm not gonna be talking about. And it left me with dry patches, the worst ever. It was so disgusting. I'm gonna show you before and after pictures later on, but it was crazy. So then I decided to try this. So I'm gonna put a little bit of water on my face, so that's what I'm doing. And I open up the little package, and I'm gonna be applying some on my hand. And I will show you what it looks like, the consistency. So you can see that there's a little bit of fibers, which are the fruit extracts from the plant. And I started applying it, and it's foaming, you know, and I was like, wow, there's such a nice smell to it. And I feel like it's like a facial every time you use it, you know. Then of course I'm gonna go rinse it off. All right, so now that my face is cleaned off, I removed all the product and I dried it off with a towel like this. What I can say is, like, I feel like the skin is a little bit sticky, and I'm gonna tell you my first impressions. Of course, I wrote it on a little piece of paper just when I tried it for the first time, my first impression, so I wouldn't forget it. There's a little thing that exfoliates. It smells nice, it dries the skin, but not in a bad way, and it controls the oil. So basically that's what I wrote, and like that's the feeling I get when I try the product. I like the little exfoliating fibers that there is from the fruits. I think it really helps with the texture of my skin, and my skin looks really nice. Anyway, and make sure to like the video if you like my videos. It really helps me, and it helps pushing the video further out in the world of YouTube. So let's jump to the water cream now, because we have to try it as well. So I have a lot of things to say about this. I feel like when I apply the product, I put it on my skin, and I use a little bit in the bottle. When I apply it, my skin literally like soaks everything. So it goes into the skin very well. It's absorbed very quickly, like more quickly than you could ever imagine. And sometimes I feel like when I had my dry patches, like I was telling you, I had to put more of this water cream just because my skin was so needy of hydration that it would stay to the spot I would put it and it wouldn't go anywhere else. And you don't need a lot to cover a big area, but if you're dry, you're gonna need a lot, and that's one thing that you want to keep in mind. So the water cream, like I said, gets absorbed immediately in the skin. It feels smooth, and to the touch and to the eye. So I do put it up there under the eye because, you know, sometimes eye creams don't really work, so I just bring it all the way there, not all the way to here, but on the under eye and a little bit on the eyebrow to make sure that everything is moisturized and hydrated. And I feel hydrated, but more dry because I'm really dry, okay? Scent is nice also for this one. It's really a slight nice smell, like spa-like type of smell, but really reduced. After a couple of days of using these products, I would say like around maybe 3, 4, 5 days, my skin feels hydrated every time. I don't get dry throughout the day, so it lasts all day long, and my skin doesn't become oily either during the day. So I feel like it does helps hydration, it controls the oil, and it feels really nice on the skin. So now I'm gonna show you the before and after, and I'm telling you, I'm gonna crop the pictures because the angles are horrible. So I took a picture with my iPhone on my skin just because I was like, oh my god, I can't record anything makeup related. This is really bad. I can't. It was so bad. I'm gonna show you, okay? So I had dry patches here on this side here. I had patches on this side too, which was so crusty and disgusting from the other products. I was like, oh my god, what am I supposed to do? So I tried these products, and honestly, my skin right now, after a couple of days, has improved so much. And I know you're gonna be like, it's only been a couple of days, but I'm telling you, to the touch, it feels smoother, it looks nicer, it looks amazing. Like, I don't know what to say. I'm gonna come up close for you to see my skin. Of course, my skin is bad, okay? It looks really bad, and it's gonna continue to look bad throughout weeks, which it takes around 30 days for skin cell renewal, but it still can help like the uneven texture and the redness, which I think the redness went down since I took the pictures. I'm gonna show you. It's horrible, okay? Horrible. And then you're gonna see my skin now, which to me it looks really improved. But you're gonna be like, oh, you still have redness and everything. I do have redness, but when you look at it, the redness is reduced, and it takes a lot of time, like I said, to get the maximum results. So that is my review. And do I recommend this product? I highly recommend it. I think it's a really nice product. Of course, it is more on the pricier side, but I do believe highly in investing into your skincare, just because your skin is your biggest organ of your body, and it is extremely important for you to take care of it. And of course, I might look dirty to you because I have acne, which is not true. Most of it might be hormonal from the food you eat, and etc., etc. And there's a bunch of different things. Mine, it is post-inflammatory erythema, which is like skin scars, acne scars, and really deep inflammation, which needs a lot of different treatments and a lot of skincare to try to get rid of it, and help it just go down. I feel like this product really helped my skin tremendously. So that is my little skincare review. Tell me down below if you use Tatcha, or if you ever tried it with samples or anything like this, and tell me also if you like it. Tell me also which one is your favorite skincare product. Also, make sure to like this video if you really liked my review, and if you want to see more of these skincare reviews and makeup reviews and every single review that you want. If you have any suggestions also, please make sure to make it down below, and I will definitely consider it. And that's what it is. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment down below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to see more of those awesome videos. So I post 5 videos a week, Monday through Friday, and if you don't want to miss any videos, again, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell, and you'll be notified every single time that I have one. So I really, really love you, beauties, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, beauties.